Hi, I'm Ken Graves with D&G General Contracting. We're at one of the projects that we have just completed here in the Altamont Springs Longwood area in the Springs Center Shopping Center. And the project's name is Code Ninja. This is set up as a dojo for kids as the after school program to learn how to do programming on their computers to do games. This is set up for kids anywhere between the ages of 7 to 14 as an after school program. One of the reasons why we're here is I wanted to give you the concept that was put together by the general contractor, because it was in our scope of work to be able to put everything together here. So as a quick little tour, what I wanted you to see is that it was in the general contractor's scope of work to do some of the artwork that we've got on the walls, the display cases that are up there. We had to assemble these desks that came in boxes. The display cases here we also had to assemble. And as you can look here, you can see you got the level white all the way up to black, meaning the level of the belt that you have, because again, it is set up as a Japanese dojo. And as you get better at the programming, higher up the belt level that you get. As we go through, you can see that we have glass installed on this wall and on the corridor wall, so that the parents and the adults can see the instructors teaching the children how to program their computers in a fun and in an exciting way. We had to put the tables together, the chairs together, coffee table, again the display cases and the cabinetry. All this came in boxes that we had to assemble so that we could put together like a turnkey operation. As we come around to the common area, you can see that there's papered lights hanging down from the ceiling, again giving you the feeling of a Japanese dojo. And as we're stepping into the dojo, I'd like to show you what we have going on in here is, again, display cases. We've got the tables, the chairs. We've got the marker boards up here on the wall, some artwork on the wall on the back side. And of course, this was a complete demo and then put back. We had to redo the plumbing, redo the electrical, basically start up with a shell and put it all back together for the owner. It was a pleasure working with the owner on this project because it's a brand new concept. And it was a lot of fun putting this together. As we go back through the dojo, we're coming back to the common area where we had to relocate the restrooms. So this is the men's room, water cooler, and the ladies' restroom. And of course, now we're back in the common area where you can get your supplies and materials delivered. As we're coming around the corner here, we have a lot of indirect lighting, recessed lighting in the ceiling to take away the coldness of the 2x4 light fixtures. Office for the employees, the instructors. And as we're coming back around on the back side of the dojo, you can see that we're back now into the common corridor where you got the colored Japanese lights and you got the artwork on the wall. Again, this was put together with the owner. It is a franchise, so we did have to work with their design firm on putting the drawings together, but we did help them with the architectural drawings and the engineered drawings to get them through permitting. So this is it. This is the Code Ninja up in the Altamont Springs Longwood area. And D&G was the general contractor on this project. And D&G is where we make construction easy.